What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and I am back with another freaking video. And in today's video, I am once again finessing another wig. If you guys are enjoying when I do this, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up so that I know what my viewers and subscribers like the most. And feel free to comment as well. This wig is part of the Janet collection. This is what the packaging has inside of it. Super flow deep part lace wig. So this is not a whole frontal wig. This is just a closure wig, and I will get into detail on what the difference is if you don't know. If you continue to watch, you will see that. But you also can see the texture that we have here. It's like a nice full wig with some cute waves. This is, again, synthetic hair that look like bundles. The color is honey blonde that I have in my hair. I hope you guys, let me turn up the lighting. Is that better? This is how the color looks, y'all. I turned my brightness up just so you can see it's a honey blonde. Show you the back. Oh, how much was this wig? This wig was $39.99, so $40. So once again, under $50, I have this cute look. So if you're interested in seeing how I applied this wig and finessed it and made it look the way it looks, which is pretty cool, then stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. So I don't even know if it's necessary for me to explain everything because I do this a lot. But basically I want to explain, this is what it means when you see that a wig is lace, has a lace frontal in a way, except this isn't really a lace frontal. If it was a lace frontal, you see where it's the lace showing right here? It would be showing all over, and then that would then mean that I can put a part in the hair anywhere throughout this whole full section and it will look like a scalp basically in every section. But because this is really a closure, it's just a lace closure. So what they did was, it's all covered up everywhere else, but there's lace right here so that when we put our wig on, and my hair, you'll see it's parted down the middle, so my scalp will be showing, and my scalp will be this color like my finger, and it'll look really natural. So that's, you know, a frontal will be a full thing. A closure is when it's a small piece here. So this is what you call a lace closure, basically. Okay, and what we want to do, because when wigs come like this, is we want to cut off the lace. Now it's kind of hard for me to cut this on camera, so I'm not gonna. But look, y'all, look. Okay. Lace is in my hand, and I'm really cutting as close to the end as I can. I'm not even leaving any lace out on purpose. I want to cut it all. So I'm literally just cutting the lace off. Okay, so I have cut off the lace, and I just want to show you what it looks like now. You see how close I cut it? Like literally up until, well, up to the point of where the hair begins. I didn't leave a lot of lace out, but it's just not necessary. So now what I'm gonna do is put the wig on and worry about making this look a little bit more natural, aka finessing the wig, okay? Oh, one more thing, I know I look ugly right now, is that this, like most wigs, this one has clips in it. These combs, I'm sorry, they're combs. So I see one here, and one in the back. that will secure your wig, so when you put your wig on, they will comb into your hair and the wig won't move. The other good thing that will also keep your wig really secure are these, like, they look like bra straps right here. You see this? They're clipped and there's like little openings. I hope you guys can see that there's little openings in here. So if I take out this little bra strap looking piece, come on now. Okay, so I've unhooked it because I want to show you guys. This is how you make your wig tighter. The closer you bring the clip in, the tighter it'll be. So let's say instead of having it here where I had it before, I'm going to now clip it somewhere over here. Okay. So now we have our wig on our head. Only thing is, it can look a little bit more natural if you ask me. And my part is literally right there, so we're good. So next I'm gonna do some baby hairs like I love to do. So I'm gonna pull back the hair. I'm gonna show you up close to like the part. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out a little bit of hair. Like, you see how I'm taking a little bit more from here? Because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be thinning out this front section to make it look a little bit more natural. You know how a hairline, a natural hairline, is thinner. That's why we have like edges and stuff. They're not, it's just not forehead, then boom, a whole bunch of hair like this. So what we are going to do is pull out some of the hair. So I section out a piece of hair at the front, right? And it's not as thin as I want the baby hair section to be. I'm taking out more than what I need, right? Because we want to thin out our front section, but you don't want to make your front bald. So we're going to pull hair from the middle, if that makes sense. So we're pulling hair from here. I'm literally taking a thicker section of hair and I'm taking hair from this middle section and I'm pulling it out. Okay, so really quickly, I just want you to see what I'm doing so far. I'm not done, but I want you to see basically the main difference of why I do this. So you see on this side, I've been plucking and pulling hair, thinning out my front section. So already it's like a thinner look here, which will look more natural than this side, which is just like boom, boom. You see? So that's kind of the importance of doing that. And then it'll look natural still when I do the baby hair. I'm rambling, so I'm gonna finish this in fast motion and move on to the next section. Okay? Okay. And you guys, I want to show you a quick hack. I did this on purpose actually because I was thinking about it. Sometimes you may pluck too much. You may get too carried away and pluck too much. So you see my part right here is too bald. So I'm going to take an eyeliner and watch this. See? and it's like you never made that mistake. But carry on. So yeah, I could easily cut some baby hair right here. The only hard part will be on the sides, but mind you, 9 times out of 10, if you are gonna wear this wig, your hair is gonna be down, so the baby hair won't even show on the sides. I just like to be prepared for anything, like maybe the wind blows. So I like to still do baby hairs along the whole side. Yeah, see, they get real crazy, and it's just a whole bunch of hair sewn together. It's not even the scalp showing. So, like, definitely don't worry about it. But we're gonna make it work and put the rest behind our ear. Got some little baby hairs there. Okay, I'm gonna take a concealer. I've already done it and I forgot to record it, so I'm just telling you what I did. I'm gonna do it again. So this is the concealer that I'm going to use. Get it together, Chanel. Get it together. It's by Makeup Forever Professional, and I'm using this neutral color right here. It's like the closest to my skin complexion. And right where my part is, I already did it, so you can see how good this looks. I basically took it and went up in my part like that. I think I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, girl. Show me some love. Show me some support. And I will be back with another video. Okay?